Watch this video and learn how to draw a kitten unicorn. Later in the show, join Artie for a dance break. And stay to the end for one of Louie's shape breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, it's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, little artists. Yeah.
Hello.
I'm Artie, and this is the Artie Show. Yeah.
That was a nice introduction.
Yeah.
You know how you like kitten unicorns?
Yeah.
Let's draw one.
Okay. Woo, this is gonna be fun. Yeah.
Hey, little artists!
Greetings to you all!
Are you ready to draw, Artie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I think this is going to be a fun one.
Yeah. Okay, let's get going. Woohoo.
Let's do it.
Get ready to draw with my favorite artist, Artie.
Let's start by drawing our kitten's eyes. We'll start with the left one. Draw a nice big circle right in the middle of the page, but towards the left. That's it, Artie. Now draw two smaller circles inside. One near the top and one near the bottom. You know, Artie, this eye looks a little bit like a bowling ball with the holes in it.
Yeah.
That reminds me, we need to go bowling again soon, Artie. Okay, now let's shade in the circle, but leave the little circles white. Everything else we want to turn to black. That's right, Artie, be patient. Make sure every little bit is filled in nice and neatly. Good job.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. That was very helpful. Okay, now let's draw the right eye. We're going to try and make it the same size as the left one. That's it. And then don't forget the two little circles inside. And then just like the one on the left, let's shade it in completely black. But remember, leave those little circles white.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
I'm ready to hop into a creative adventure.
Oh,
Wow. Every drawing you make is such a masterpiece, Artie.
oh, thank you.
Good job. Stay positive. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, that was nice of Bunny to come and visit. Okay, Artie, looks like you've nearly finished the right eye. Make sure every little bit's coloured in. There you go. Good job. Now, let's draw the left and right cheeks of our kitten. Or I should say, our kitten unicorn, because we're going to make this one a unicorn version of a kitten. Very good. Now, let's connect those two curves together all the way along the bottom, giving our kitten a nice chin.
Oh, dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah. Can we have a dance break, please?
Well, maybe.
Dance break, dance break, dance break.
Okay,
dance break.
okay, you can have one.
Yay! Okay.
Dancing is fun.
Artie sure has the moves.
Very good, yes. 10, obviously 10.
Are you tired?
Yeah, that was exhausting.
You and Bunny did great.
Yeah, really good fun. Artie loves dance breaks.
Well, that's nice, but let's finish the drawing.
Yeah. Okay.
Now let's give our kittens some ears. We're going to draw sort of two sides of a triangle, or an upside-down V shape. One on the right, one on the left, and connect them together. Keep watching, and Louie's going to teach us all about triangles. Let's add a tiny little W shape for the nose. And some eyebrows. Oh, and Artie, let's draw little triangles inside the ears. That's right, left side first, then don't forget the right side. Well, she certainly looks like a kitten now, but let's add a horn. That way she'll look like a unicorn kitten. Great job, Artie. Now let's add some diagonal lines, because later on when we're colouring, that'll make it easier.
Hey, Artie! Wow, what a great drawing! Gives me the blues, and I'm blue. Oh, oh, oh! Ooh.
Thank you, Barry. Now you've set all the neighbourhood dogs barking again. Ugh. Let's give her some hair. A nice swirly S shape on the top of her head. Add a couple of swirly lines inside the hair. Again, that'll help later when we're colouring in. Really good job, Artie. Now let's start her body. Let's do a big curved line on the right side coming down from underneath her head. And another one on the left.
Oh, Artie wants shape break.
Oh, yeah, we could have a shape break.
Yeah.
Ask Louie then.
Okay, Louie, shape break.
Hello, little artist. Welcome to the shape break. My name's Louie, and I'm going to teach you about this shape here, the triangle. One of my favourite shapes. Now, triangles have 3 sides. Should we count them together? Yes, come on, come along. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and a little pointy top right at the top there. What did the circle say to the triangle? I see your point. See, because he saw his point. Okay. What about those triangles that you bang and they make a really lovely sound? They're in orchestras. Yes. Well, why did the triangle player quit the orchestra? Oh, I don't know. It was just one ting after another. Get ting, ting, ting. Okay. Well, what are your favourite triangle shapes? I know what mine are. I love a pizza slice. Oh, a slice of pizza. That's a triangle. What about slice of cake? Also a triangle. Tortilla chips. They're triangular. Yes. Coat hangers. Not quite as yummy as the other things, but coat hangers are triangular. That's right. Oh, this is a good one. A triangle says to a circle, "You're pointless." Then the circle says back, "That's how I roll."
Okay.
Oh, that was a good shape break. Artie learned a lot.
All about triangles.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Yeah, okay.
Let's give her some little wings. First of all on the right side, and then try and match on the left side. Oh, good job, Artie. Let's give her a big tail on the right side. Draw a big S shape, and then another S shape underneath. And now she has a tail. Let's add some lines in the middle. Oh, she's looking so pretty, Artie.
Yeah.
Don't you think that's a masterpiece, little artists?
Masterpiece is my favorite rapper.
Let's give her 2 little tiny feet at the bottom. That's right. And then another one. Connect them together. There you go. How about a left paw and a right paw? Something's missing. I know, whiskers. She's a kitten. She has to have whiskers. Looking good.
It's finished.
Great job, Artie. She looks wonderful.
Yeah. Can I color it in now, please?
Well, of course you can.
Okay.
Color it in. Color it in.
Finished.
Wonderful work,
Yeah.
Artie. And finished so
Yeah.
fast.
All done. Colored in.
And wonderful colours.
Yeah.
I love the pink
Oh,
and
yeah.
the blue and the yellow.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed today's show.
And we hope you come back and see us tomorrow. Have a great day, little artists.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. We have to go now. I love all my little artists, and I hope you have an arty day. Bye.